Hey everybody, how's it going? Rusty72 here. Me and Will are getting ready to go on a hike today with Cub Scouts.
Yep.
And we're eating some grapes on the way there. And I got Will laughing pretty good, showing him my impression of how a bird eats a grape. So I'm going to show you guys. Hold it, Will. Alright.
Hold on.
So, bird is going to see a grape like this, right?
Hold on.
And the bird has a stupid look on his face all the time, like, and he crosses his eyes like this. His bird brain. And he sees a grape and he's like, Sometimes he misses. Well, is that funny?
Yeah, let me do my impression of a bird.
Okay. Let's see if you can do it without laughing. Oh, goodness. I think we're going to have a good time today, guys. See you later.